Contact! Enemy helicopter!
We need attack support on the marked objective.
Objective Charlie is in enemy hands.
Oh, shit.
There's a bunch of people dropping in by parachute.
Enemy sniper confirmed in your area.
Ooh, I'm getting shot. Oh, he's up in the window. Right above the D icon. There's one on the roof and one in the window.
Be advised, enemy launching on Bravo.
Bastards.
Oh, yeah,
I know where they're at
or
now.
something. I don't know.
He's at the window though.
Bravo.
Thank you.
Yep. Meds. Is he still up in that window? No.
I don't know.
There was a guy up on the roof. He might be dead.
The enemy has taken objective Bravo. Be advised, enemy forces have the upper hand. Let's regroup. We now hold Echo. The enemy has secured Charlie.
Secure and hold that objective!
We've neutralized Charlie. Alright, we now hold 4 objectives. Keep pushing, troops.
We have lost Echo.
Uh,
Ah.